How to know if someone screenshot your WhatsApp status. Is it even possible to know whether someone has screenshot your WhatsApp status? In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to find out whether it's even possible to know whether someone has screenshot your WhatsApp status. First, you just have to navigate to your WhatsApp app, mark the list of menus on the bottom, continue to click on updates, then navigate to the status and click on it, and then you can continue to tap on the current status that you shared. So when you hold it, there's no way you can find out whether someone has screenshot your WhatsApp status. The only things you will see is viewed by the number of people that have currently watched your status. So if you want to check whether someone has screenshot your WhatsApp status, the feature is not yet out. Maybe in the future WhatsApp will start rolling out this feature on its platform, but as at now, the only thing you can check out is the number of people that have viewed your WhatsApp status. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.